Who is that? Who keeps on pooping? You better stop. You going to straight that goal. You better stop, young soul. Young soul, you want to go to the principal office? Young soul. Young lady. Young soul, you get in detention. Young soul, why are you trying to fake book? That ain't good. You just both in my face. Okay, you get an extra detention, young soul. Young soul. So now you're trying to take my phone, aren't you?